Hi boys, it's Miss Tyson here, ready to do your first reading lesson with you. Before we begin, let's just go over a few expectations for when we're learning together. Number one is that you have a clutter-free, distraction-free workspace. So it could be your kitchen table, which is where I'm working. It could be a desk if you have one, or it could even be on the floor in your bedroom. Find what works for you. Number two is that you have a fully charged device, whether it be your laptop or your tablet, so that way your device doesn't go dead on you when we're halfway through your lesson. And number three is that you have your materials ready to go. So for reading, you will need your blue decoding book. Get your stretch and shrink if you have a stretching tool at home, or if you don't have one, you can use your fingers. That will work too. Also have your yellow Snazzy the Snake reading book out for starting Unit 1. And that will be what you will need for today. So if you want to go ahead and pause this video and get your materials ready, and then you can press play when you're ready. Okay, so if you're ready, we will begin. So let's start with our sound and picture review. So I'm going to give you a second to read the card, and then I'll tell you. Glue, ant, dog, paper, crayons, pig, eye, girl, cat, boy, I'm, see, scissors. Good job, boys. Now I'm going to introduce you to your new letter. And your new letter sound is S, as in snake. S is a slow letter sound. That means you say it slowly. Listen to my slow letter S. S. Say it with me. S. Your turn. Good. Now we're going to echo read the poster. Let me move myself out of the way a little here. Okay, so you repeat after me. We'll start on the first line here. S as in snake. Whoops. Hold on one second. All right, I think you can see it better now. S as in snake. Your turn. Capital letter S. Your turn. Small letter S. S says S. Your turn. Snazzy, snoozing, snake. Your turn. S, s, s. Your turn. Good job. So if you can go ahead and touch your screen and go ahead and trace your first letter. This is the letter S. What sound does it make? Yes, S. Go ahead and trace the capital letter S with your finger. Next, we have a lowercase letter s. What sound again? S. Go ahead and trace the lowercase letter s with your finger. S. Okay, and now we are going to do stretch and shrink. So if you have your stretching tool ready, this is the time to go ahead and get that. And the first word is I'm. I'm Miss Tyson. Watch me. I'm. Do it with me. I'm. Your turn. Good. Next word is see. Can you see me? See. Watch me. See. See. Do it with me. See. See. Your turn. Nice. Next word is mad. Make a mad face. Watch me. Mad. Mad. Do it with me. Mad. Mad. Your turn. Nice. The last one is sad. Make a sad face. Sad. Watch me. Sad. Sad. Do it with me. Sad. Sad. Your turn. Nice job, boys. So back in the book again, if you could just go ahead and put your fingers right on the dot under the picture and you read the picture words, okay? The first one is heart. Put your finger on the next dot. What one? Star. Next picture. Flower. Next, plane. And the last one, star. And that is how you do finger tracking. You touch the dots under each picture. And if you come down here to the next row and put your finger under that word, that is the word I. What word is it? Yes, I. Good job. This is the picture see, and this is the picture dogs. Let's go back and review. What's the first one? Yes, I. See. Dogs. Good job. So now you'll need to switch to your little yellow storybook, Unit 1, and our storybook is called Snazzy Snake. And snazzy means fancy. So this book is about a fancy snake. Excuse me, boys. This is something new here, trying to learn how to scroll. Bear with me a minute, please. Okay, so if you open to the very first page, they have some more finger tracking. So we'll go ahead and we'll practice with the finger tracking. Once again, you put your finger on the dot under the picture and read the picture. The first one is scissors. Next, S. Next, crayons. And the last one is C. Next row, first picture, paper. Next is I. Next is C. And the last one is S. Last row, put your finger under the first one. The sound is S. Next one is the word I. Next is C. And the last one is paper. And if you turn to, oh, I'm sorry, there was one more row hidden down there. Okay, last row. Finger under the first picture. And you have scissors, I, C, and S. Good. And if you turn to the next page, we have what is called a duet story. With the duet story, I will read all of the small print in the story, and you will put your finger under the big print that has the dot under it, and that will be your part to read, okay? So our chapter that we're reading right now is called Snake's Old Clothes. What do you think this story is about? It's about a snake. Put your finger under the first big word here. It's your turn to read that. What does that say? It says S, S, said snake. So this is my turn. So you read S, and then I read the rest of it. S, said snake as she slithered down the road. Your turn. S, said snake. Your turn again. I have tired old clothes. "Sss," said Snake as she wiggled back and forth. Your turn. "Sss," said Snake as she wiggled more and more. What do you think Snake is doing? I think she's on her way to the store to buy some new clothes. Next page. It's your turn. What sound? "Sss," said Snake as she shed her old skin. What did Snake do with her old clothes? Yeah, she took her old skin off. She shed her old skin. Next, your turn. "Sss," said Snake. Your turn. I have brand new clothes. What happened in the end of the story, guys? She took off her skin. She shed her skin and she got new skin. Boys, I hope that you enjoyed your lesson today. Please come back again tomorrow and we will go ahead and we will review Decoding Day 1 and we will review, we'll go on and read Story 2. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.